Magdaluyong Quiñones,
Part of the Regional Science High School Team Sports Club, do hereby solemnly swear and agree
do hereby solemnly swear and agree
to abide, adhere, and uphold
to abide and hereby
all conditions,
of conditions,
agreements,
rules,
regulations, and provisions
regulation, and provisions
which has been set forth
by the organizers of this program.
by the organizers of this program. As a
competitor of this game,
I hereby swear and agree
I hereby swear and agree
to play the game in the highest form
highest forms
and standards of discipline and sportsmanship, no matter if I win or lose. What counts most is how I conduct myself in playing the game. In the spirit of belongingness, peace and community enjoyment, with my compassion. I now therefore declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman. In a word and in deed, so help me God.
So help me God.